Hi there. I'm pretty sure by now you have most likely seen that video which has been trending in Kenya for the past 3 days about a man who actually watched their wife take poison and eventually die. The story of DJ Brownskin. This story, guys, has actually caused a myriad of reactions out there. Of course, a good number of people out there were filled by anger just watching this story. And that's why I thought it would be good even for me to just try and analyze that entire scenario, because it is disturbing. So before we even delve into that, I'd really appreciate if you can join the family. Subscribe to this channel. Down there is a button called subscribe. Subscribe, and also while you add it, remember to drop a like on this video, because I'm out here making these awesome videos for you daily. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Having said that, there were two factions on social media. Of course, guys, there was a first faction which was actually stating that probably this DJ was used to sing, for example, the wife threatened they could take their lives, and then eventually it culminated into that. And even so, there was actually a faction which didn't have any mercy at all. And then a good number of people out there were outright irritated by this, because they thought, given he was there instead of recording, maybe he could have done something just to intervene so that the mother of his kids couldn't have to die. And then also there's another faction out there which was saying that had this DJ recorded that particular incident, maybe he could be in jail. Reason being, he couldn't have a basis of him not being a suspect. But given it was on video, then he could easily say he didn't partake in that. Rather, the late took her own life. All these analogies aside, I'd like to share with you my 2 cents. The thing is this: a good number of people out there are going through hard times. In fact, we're talking about many people out there moving around, going about their daily affairs without really knowing they're having, for example, severe depression. And guys, depression is real. People out there are disturbed by many things. And I think, due to human nature, it is good just to be your sister's, your brother's keeper, regardless what you agree on and also what you disagree on. At the end of the day, I think someone's life is paramount, because it's going to give them opportunity for them to be able to have new possibilities, have new realities, and even take up on new challenges. So if you are near, for example, someone who is about to take their lives, I think if you can possibly intervene, try your best to intervene. Unless, for example, a particular person is maybe having a very, very deadly weapon with them, maybe they could turn that on you. But if it's a situation whereby you can interject, assist them, I think it is sound to assist them, because at the end of the day, saving someone's life is paramount. So it's in my opinion that I think this particular man could have done something, but I'm not privy to exactly what was happening in their private lives. But even that notwithstanding, people out here are having challenges. You could find someone, for example, going about their business each and every day, but deep inside, they are actually fighting very, very crazy battles, which you can't even put your shoe in that particular battle at a particular point in time. So be kind, be your brothers and your sisters keeper, and hopefully collectively you're going to be able to build a better world. What do you think? Did you see that video? If you saw, what was your reaction based on what you just saw? Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.